Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about closed captioning your videos and why it's important. First off, why are we doing closed captioning our videos? Well, a few reasons. YouTube wants to make your content available to everybody, and so do you. So YouTube allows creators to subtitle their content so other viewers can look at it from across the world. It allows you to reach a larger audience and share the information that you want to show them. The second thing it's going to do for you as a creator is help boost your ratings so more people can see your videos. Remember, YouTube is always looking and running that algorithm to find out what searchable criteria you have. Well, if you have more words, in other words, you have subtitles added, that's more for YouTube to roll through or scroll through, looking for the content that they're looking for and match you up with the person looking for your search. So subtitling will really help you do better in YouTube's search algorithm. Make sure you get those subtitles in there. It is important. A lot of people think this is a time-consuming process, and it really isn't. I'm going to show you a fast, easy way. In the end, I'm going to show you how to make it free. I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to add subtitles to all of your videos. It probably takes me less than 5 minutes each time, unless I have a lot of edits to do. So here we go. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I find it easier to do in Google Chrome. I'm going to go right to my channel in YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio. And I'm going to hit subtitles right here on the left-hand side. I've already subtitled all my videos, so I'm going to use one here that I haven't done because it's my welcome screen. It doesn't really need to be subtitled. It's not searchable. It's not meant to be searched, that kind of stuff. But I'm going to use this as a tutorial for you. So if you look over here, English Automatic, this is what YouTube has already done for us. Okay? We see that that's published. This is the one where I would put in mine in my language, or I could add additional languages. And it would say published by creator, but it hasn't been done yet. I need to add it right here. So here's the easy way to do it. I can come right over here to published, click on the 3 dots, select download. Now at the bottom, it's in Chrome. I can take my Subtitles captions.sbv file, that's what I'm looking for, captions.sbv, and I just drag it down to my desktop there. And actually, I can probably minimize this for now. I'm going to open up another tool. This is Atom, absolutely free, and I'll show you a download link at the end. So I just go over here to Untitled. I can take this captions.sbv file. I'm going to drag it right over top. And there we go. That's what YouTube thinks that I said as I put my video together. So I kind of fix a few things. I'm going to make that high. But here I can go through and look through the entire process and make sure all the vocabulary looks good. If I see it's all okay and there's no problems, I'm just going to go through and up in the upper left-hand corner here, I'm going to save as. I'll rename it. And this is my welcome screen captions. I'm saving this to my desktop because I'm going to drop it in there. And now I'll go back to my video. Close out of here. I'll go back to my video. Simply hit add. Upload a file. Subtitles file, that's an SBV we created, so subtitles file. Choose file. There she is, welcome screen captions. Upload. And now I can actually go through and edit if I want to. So I can play this and I'll see it'll take me to each point or each time point as I go through. So I have a few little edits to do. I'm going to have to bump some of these numbers around, but you see how easy that is to do. I can just select on the verbiage I'm looking for or the closed caption I'm looking for, and I can either adjust the time, greater, start sooner, start later. I can move the whole thing back and forth. I can extend it, so on and so forth. So it's really easy to adjust, and when I want to preview it, I just usually go back one slide and start playing it from there. As I move this thing, as I move each closed caption or I select each closed caption, it will put my play cue right at that section in the video. So I can just start out nice and easy, and that's how you do it. Once you're done and you're happy with your changes, Come right up here, hit Save Changes. Subtitles published. Return to YouTube Studio. And now I have to look at my subtitles. For that video, it's going to show 2 subtitles. Published, published. That's what I'm looking for, and that gives YouTube that searchable criteria. So I hope this helped you. Very easy, very, very quick process. The tool I'm using is called Atom. It's easily downloaded. I will put a link in the description below. But you can download this, install it on your computer for free. And it's very, very easy to use. You saw it was all drag and drop. Make a few edits and I'm done. I find it easier to edit it on the screen. So I'll take the caption file that YouTube made automatically, drag that in, save it as a new file, put it back into YouTube, and make my edits on screen where I can see it play with my video, just like I showed you there. Well, there you have it. I hope this helped out, and I hope you're adding subtitles or captions to all of your videos, and I hope you find this process to make it a little bit easier for you. If you can, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to help you. Also, make sure you subscribe and ding that little bell down there. We'll be notified when the next videos come out. Appreciate you visiting us today, and again, remember, we are all forever learning.